Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing biometrics, specifically biometric data gathering by immigration checkpoints here in the Kingdom of Thailand. In a prior video on this channel, we discussed this issue and we talked about the fact that it looked as though immigration authorities were going to start rolling out biometric data gathering devices at immigration checkpoints in the kingdom. It now appears as though that has come to pass. So, quoting directly from Phuket News, PhuketNews.com, the title of the article, Biometric ID Systems Installed at Phuket International Airport. Now, it should be noted in our prior video we discussed anecdotally there was evidence that biometric machines had already been rolled out at Suvarnabhumi. So we've seen it here in Bangkok. I always like to see the perspective from Phuket, and apparently the systems are being rolled out down there. Quoting directly, Police Logistics Office Commissioner Lieutenant General Tinapat Pumarin on Thursday, May 9th, unveiled the installation of new biometric screening systems at Phuket International Airport and said they are ready to use. Quoting further, newly appointed Immigration Bureau Commissioner, Police Lieutenant General Sompong Chingdoang, in April highlighted that IB is ramping up the use of biometric technology at international airports to guard against transnational criminals. So as previously discussed, biometrics, especially biometric data that has been gathered, is going to be a real game changer, I think, over here in Thailand. Whereas once the immigration apparatus had to rely on paper, analog systems basically, and they only had travel documentation to rely upon with respect to adjudicating entries into the kingdom. Now they have, a wealth of information and resources in the form of biometric data. And biometric data, retinal scanning, fingerprinting, etc., facial recognition, very difficult to fake. And for that reason, I think this is being rolled out because, as I've said in previous videos, on topics pertaining to immigration, the Thai immigration authorities, the Immigration Bureau, as well as Border Control and all of them, they're taking a very law enforcement view with respect to immigration matters, whereas they once took more of an administrative or regulatory view on how these matters should be prosecuted, for lack of a better term. And these days, this law enforcement mentality is manifesting itself in things like the rollout of this biometric data gathering, which will provide a great deal more insight to immigration officers as to whether or not an individual seeking entry to the kingdom should be admitted.